Hello everyone, welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. But the thing is, I said on my previous walk that I released yesterday, I see you guys on the way to Valencia, but I actually decided to do it a little different. So I'm gonna do another walk here in Stockholm because I decided it was a little bit too stressful to kind of make a video on my way to the airport when you're a bit stressed about traveling and things like that. So that's why I do another video today. Anyways, we are in Vasastan here. We got Sveagatan here, the big main road, and we're gonna go up here the hill. I'm gonna check out what's actually around here because I know there's a swimming pool. Don't think it is open right now. Feels a bit cold to go outdoor swimming. Right, I adjusted the lighting a little bit. It was a bit bright. So I see they're remodeling the playground here. This is a really good playground normally. And also outdoor gym. Yeah, they're taking everything out. All right. Big plans. And here we have a wonderful little church, as it seems. Cool, never been here before. Yeah, so here we have the swimming pool. Let's have a look if we can actually see if there's some water in it. Don't think so. Vanadislunden, it's called. Yeah, there's no water in it, of course. It's over there. Looks nice. Let's have a look what's up there. And again, climbing up the hill as usual. I should be a squad master by now. Alright, the view should be spectacular here actually. Look how the buildings are rising here. Wow. Right, let's check out this side. I think this is an area for dogs. Looks like it, yes. You see this quite a lot in Sweden. You have a lot of those dedicated areas. So they can run freely here, the dogs. I know in Gamla you have rooftop tours. Maybe I should do that one day. Because when I see all the roofs, I'm getting out of breath here. Nice, some doggies. Hey. Yeah, park's always dog heavens. Finally some space to run around. Every time I'm so surprised how I keep discovering new small areas of places where I've been many times before. Like Vasastan, I've been here a countless amount of times, hundreds. But still, where I'm walking right now, never been before. Don't even know where I am, really. Let's go down here. Very steep. You don't want to fall down here. We're at Fregatan here. Maybe I should go back to the front here. Let's go this side. No, let's go this side. And then here we cross. There's no video complete in Let's Walk Around Stockholm without getting a little lost. As I said before, I have the worst sense of direction of any human being, really. It's completely non-existing. I don't know why I've always had that. Like, I have such a bad sense of direction that, let's say if I'm in a shopping mall, I go into a store and I literally just arrived in the store, yeah? Maybe I'm looking in there at stuff for 3 minutes, I come out and I get confused on which way I have to go out of the mall again. That's how bad my sense of direction is. And if it's 50% chance of doing it right, no, always wrong. So in a way, I'm not taking the easy path here with starting a walking channel. And as you maybe have noticed, I do have a new camera, but I hardly use it. Like, I've only used it at like 4 of my videos, and all of this is still filmed with my phone. Which is very frustrating because I really want to use it, but I have a few issues, mainly technical issues with the camera, getting the videos online on time. I won't bother you with the boring details, but yeah, it's a bit tricky to upload them on the same day as I film them. when I use a more professional camera. Well, the short version is it requires editing. So yeah, which takes time. Shun Sing Wok. Kickboxing, martial arts school. You know, like judo, taekwondo, karate, things like that. Ah, yes, now I'm back at Odengatan. Right, where shall I go now? This is Döbelnsgatan. Well, let's continue a little bit more. Just follow the green light. Kind of perfect because I will end up around Odenplan station and then I can go home from there. So actually I noticed in the recent times I'm getting the same questions over and over again. So what I will do is make a little frequently asked question thing in the description, because everybody's always asking, are you Swedish, where are you from, how long have you been living here, I don't know, how expensive is the beer, why don't you show your face. It's like the same 20 questions always coming back. So I will do a little Q&A in the description in the coming weeks, so every time someone asks I can go up, look in the description, so we can hop over the basics, basically. Yeah, though there we have the Hard Rock Cafe, which I personally don't like. I don't know what the obsession is with some people. Oh, sorry. Unintentional red crossing. What the obsession is with going to a place that looks the same everywhere. There's a lot of people that when they go on holiday, they want to buy something from the Hard Rock Cafe, and I'm like, it looks the same as at home, why should you go there? But yeah, it's the same thing with Starbucks, McDonald's, all those chains. Like, I see no reason to go there when you're abroad. Maybe some people are so picky with food they want to have something that's exactly the same at home, and then you can wonder if you're really traveling. But yeah, different discussion. The high building over there is the Läkarhuset, which means like, you know, doctor house or something. There's different types of medical practices in there. I think even like things such as dentist and yeah, maybe more like mental doctors and things like that. What's it called? Psychologist, things like that. Rehabilitation, all types of medical jobs. I can tell I'm getting a little tired. When I'm tired, my English gets way worse. So a little bit shorter walk today. I'll try to make a bit longer walks while I get to Valencia, if I can, depending on the Wi-Fi. Alrighty folks, this is it for today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.